One of my favorites. Okay, we have a makeup drawer. It is built up to the built up. Now, I am spraying SHYN Degreaser all over the inside of the drawer. I am making sure it is covered completely. Then using have a look at, I know it's hard to zoom in, like to see, but yeah, see it just remove off. This was built up, stuck on everything, like everything. If you look at the side, the inside door of that drawer. Now, I said, no, I'm not going to use the magic eraser. I'm going to see if I can just use a wet microfiber cloth. It's easier. It gets over a lot more places. And if I don't need to use a magic eraser, why am I using it for? So what I've done, what the SHYN Degreaser does, it's marinated through the grime, making it super easy to lift. So I'm just agitating everything with my bun. You can see my bun. Just agitating it, letting the cloth do its thing. Getting into the corners. Remember, with the microfiber, the wetter, the better. Yes? The wetter, the better. At the same time, the good thing is a lot of the water in the microfiber cloth is diluting the SHYN Degreaser on the surface. So I wouldn't even really need to remove the product too much because there's so much water going into it that the microfiber will just pick it up. But I am anyway. I am showing you the right way of doing things, guys. So now I have wrung the microfiber out, so there is not much water on it at all. Now I'm just picking up all the yucky stuff. Now it's wet. I'm not going to pick up everything. That's what the dry one will be for. But right now I'm removing the residue, any product that's left over, any big bits. It's just all coming off. I'm just doing the handle right now. Sorry, you guys can't actually see this. But look how easy that was. I'm telling you, this was built up, built up. But when things are built up, they're just so hard because they're so thick. But when you've got the right products marinating through the grime and making it easy to lift, it's a piece of cake. Now this is dry microfiber. This is so I don't have any hair left over, any crumbs. I don't even need to dry it. But I'm just wiping anything. I don't want my drawer to streak. So just touching it up. I can obviously see hair and something there. Perfect. Oh, perfect.